Are you craving the smoky, charred flavors of outdoor grilling but stuck indoors? Look no further. Indoor grills have revolutionized the way we cook, allowing us to enjoy delicious grilled meals year-round regardless of the weather. From sizzling steaks to perfectly seared vegetables, these versatile appliances bring convenience and flavor right into your kitchen. In this post, we'll explore the best indoor grills on the market, comparing their features, performance, and ease of use. Whether you're a seasoned grill master or a cooking novice, our guide will help you find the perfect indoor grill to elevate your culinary adventures. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Lodge LPGI-3 Cast Iron Reversible Grill. Elevate your cooking versatility with the Lodge Reversible Grill, a must-have for those who enjoy both indoor and outdoor grilling. Whether you're looking to sizzle burgers on your stovetop or whip up a hearty breakfast outside, this impressive 20 by 10.5-inch cast iron pan is the tool you need. Designed to work seamlessly over your stove or even a campfire, it allows you to take advantage of summer get-togethers. Imagine crafting perfectly cooked burgers and juicy hot dogs right in your kitchen, thanks to the excellent heat retention of cast iron. It may be positioned over 2 burners, but that's part of its charm. You can easily create 2 distinct heat zones. This feature allows you to manage cooking timing expertly so your dishes are ready to serve all at once. From large cuts of meat to an abundance of colorful veggies, this grill pan excels at delivering mouth-watering results. And when flipped over to its griddle side, you can master the art of breakfast. Think fluffy pancakes with a perfect golden crust, or homemade personal pizzas that impress every time. Investing in this reversible grill is more than just a purchase. It's about enhancing your culinary experience. You'll discover countless ways to enjoy delicious meals, whether you're cooking for family or hosting friends. Get ready to turn ordinary days into memorable dining experiences with this versatile addition to your kitchen arsenal. At number 4, Cuisinart Stainless Steel Griddler. The Cuisinart Griddler is truly a versatile kitchen companion that can elevate your cooking experience. You're not just limited to grilling. With its reversible plates, one flat and one ridged, you can create delicious paninis or enjoy the smoky flavors of an indoor contact grill. Imagine biting into a perfectly pressed sandwich or savoring grilled vegetables all from the comfort of your home. But the Griddler's adaptability doesn't stop there. The adjustable hinge accommodates foods of varying thickness, ensuring that both your thick burgers and delicate fish fillets cook evenly and thoroughly. When you're ready to tackle larger meals, simply open it up to reveal a generous 200 square inches of cooking surface. You can serve your family or entertain guests with ease. Additionally, the flat griddle feature is perfect for breakfast favorites like pancakes, eggs, or bacon, allowing you to avoid steaming and achieve that ideal golden brown hue. Whether you're whipping up a quick weeknight dinner or exploring new recipes on the weekend, the Cuisinart Griddler is here to streamline your cooking process. So if you're looking for a kitchen appliance that adapts to your culinary needs while providing convenience and flexibility, the Cuisinart Griddler is a smart choice. It's more than just a grill. It's a multifunctional tool that encourages creativity in the kitchen, making every meal an enjoyable experience. Embrace the possibilities and transform the way you cook. Number 3, we have the Hamilton Beach Electric Indoor Searing Grill. If you're considering upgrading your cooking experience, a smokeless grill is a fantastic addition to your kitchen. The Hamilton Beach model stands out with its impressive ratings across various facets of performance. One of the standout features is its non-stick grill plates, which ensure that your food releases easily and cleanup is a breeze. The large drip tray effectively captures excess fat, making your meals healthier. A built-in window on the lid allows you to check on your food without losing heat, a convenient perk for any home chef. While it has a maximum temperature setting of 450 degrees Fahrenheit, our tests showed it reached 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Although this slightly lower heat can lead to milder caramelization, you'll still appreciate the beautifully defined grill marks and uniformly cooked meats that this grill delivers. This compact model is particularly well suited for smaller kitchens or apartments, making it a practical choice if space is a consideration. Not only is it budget-friendly, but it also offers an enjoyable cooking experience without the hassle of traditional grilling methods. Keep in mind that while the cooking space is somewhat limited, it's ideal for preparing meals for individuals or small families. Overall, if you're looking for a versatile, user-friendly cooking appliance that helps you create delicious grilled dishes indoors, the Hamilton Beach Smokeless Grill could be just what you need. Dive into a new realm of indoor grilling and savor the flavors without the fuss. At number 2, Breville, the Smart Electric Grill. Breville's indoor cooking machine, a versatile powerhouse that combines a grill, flat-top griddle, and panini press into one sleek device. Imagine having the ability to create mouth-watering meals without the hassle of multiple appliances cluttering your kitchen. With its innovative hinged lid, you can easily double your cooking space or close it down to perfectly press and sear your favorite sandwiches using its removable plates. What truly sets the Smart Grill apart is its remarkable intelligence. When you place cold food on the surface, it automatically detects the temperature drop and adjusts the power to maintain optimum heat. In our experience, it consistently hit the maximum temperature of 450 degrees Fahrenheit precisely, far more accurately than many competitors that can vary by 50 degrees or more. This level of precision means your meals will be beautifully browned and caramelized every time, turning everyday cooking into a gourmet experience. Not only is it efficient and functional, but the Smart Grill also has a compact design that won't overwhelm your countertop. You can enjoy restaurant-quality meals from the comfort of your home, making mealtime not just an obligation, but an enjoyable experience. Why compromise on quality and taste when this all-in-one appliance offers you the convenience and performance you deserve? Embrace the opportunity to elevate your cooking game with Breville's Smart Grill and delight in the delicious possibilities it brings to your kitchen. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Weber Q1400 Electric Grill. If you live in an apartment or have a small outdoor space like a balcony or terrace, the Weber Electric Grill could be your perfect culinary companion. Although Weber is renowned for its charcoal grills, this portable model brings the same quality in a compact size, allowing you to savor grilling without the hassle of open flames. With porcelain-enameled cast-iron cooking grates that can reach over 600 degrees Fahrenheit, this electric grill achieves results comparable to gas or charcoal grills while minimizing smoke. Imagine impressing your friends and family with perfectly seared steaks and beautifully caramelized vegetables, all with that satisfying sizzle you love. The grill features a generous 6-foot power cord, making it easy to connect to an outdoor outlet without being restricted by space. We understand that cleaning can be a chore, which is why the removable drip tray is a thoughtful addition. Cleanup is simple and hassle-free. Plus, it heats up quickly, so you can dive into your grilling adventures without the wait. While this model does have limitations, like not being suitable for indoor use and ranking as the 3rd most expensive electric grill we tested, it offers simplicity and great flavor for those who cherish daily barbecues. Whether it's a Sunday family cookout or a weekday dinner, you can enjoy the delightful experience of grilling right from your doorstep. Embrace the joy of outdoor cooking even in limited spaces with the Weber Electric Grill. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which indoor grill you're considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.